everyone, this is Gayle, and I have gotten another delivery which I'm so excited about. I pulled this open because it had tape over it and I didn't want you to have to watch me struggle to get the tape off. But this is from PolyClayPlay, and it is my new Sculpey colors of clay. PolyClayPlay.com is the website, and they have got all the new colors. Isn't that a pretty bag? I can see where this bag might find its way into my texture stash. But let me see. I also got this. This is a leaf mold. It's 3 shallow molds that I'm going to use with my liquid clay. Excuse me. If you saw any of the things that I did for the liquid clay. And then everything else should be clay. Let me dump it this way. It looks like it's packed in. Okay, so let me sort. This year, Sculpey came out with some new colors, and I'm so excited to try them. The Souffle colors, I only got the Souffle and the Primo. They do have new colors in Sculpey 3, but I don't use Sculpey 3, so I didn't get those. But this is called Shamrock. That's a pretty green. It's like just a real green. And this orange is called Mandarin. The purple is called Grape. The raspberry is a sort of a darker pink. Really nice. And then this one is called Cornflower. That's a beautiful blue. And then the Primo colors, which I'm so excited about, Cayenne. Now this, to me, is a gorgeous color. It's not really an orange. It's not really a red. It's sort of a burnt orangey red. So I really like that color. They have one called Slate Gray. So that's this one. That's a pretty color. And this one is called Navy. And I am so glad they brought Navy back. They had Navy before, and they discontinued it a couple years ago, and I still had some here, so I would use it in some of my projects, but I couldn't tell anybody where to get it because they didn't make it anymore. And they've done a little bit of changing in the color. Let me see if I could bring out a Navy and compare the difference. Actually, they're pretty much the same. So I'm glad I can use those together. But the Navy and the Slate and the Cayenne, I'm thinking it would make a beautiful Skinner blend, just the 3 of these together. So that's possible. And then the other things are the Souffle and the leaf. So hopefully you, if you ever want anything, Trish is really good about, she's a one-woman shop. She doesn't have, you know, a big staff or a warehouse or anything. This is a company that she runs herself, and she does a great job. So if you ever need any polymer clay, either the clay or the tools, she has things to cover. She has these Inca Gold towers. This one is called, I don't know if Seaside is the name of the tower. It probably is called Seaside, but it's got Inca Gold in these small sample sizes. That one's not on straight. Comes in a tower like this, and then she also sells the individual ones. Now, if you've ever bought an Inca Gold, what you got was a big jar like this. And this jar would last a polymer clay artist all of their life and probably a couple other people's lives. I have had these Inca Golds for years, and you only use just, well, this has got the top on it so it won't dry out, but you only use such a small amount. You rub your finger on it and then you rub it on your project and you're done. So these would last forever. And just stick this back up there so it's not in my way. But she sells, you know, she's the only person I know of. There may be other people, but she's the only one I know of that sells those trial sizes. And, but she sells molds, cutter, well, I don't know, yeah, she does sell some cutters, a lot of the Sculpey things. She sells the molds made by, oh shoot, the name just left me. Oh, Jenny Couch. She's got the world's best molds or whatever. If you've looked at my sea turtle project, you've probably seen it there. Let me see if I have one handy. They're called Best Flexible Molds. This one is the seashell mold. And they're awesome molds. Lots of great texture in there. But I've got several of them, and I just love her molds. So Trish carries those. They're anything you need with polymer clay. Tools, work surfaces, you name it, she sells it. So give her a shout out if you want to get the Primo colors. She does have them on sale right now. I don't know how long they'll be on sale, but you know, I'll put the link. Well, actually, her link is always underneath my videos in the description because I am an affiliate of hers. So, you know, check her out. See what if there's anything that you need, she's probably got it. So have a great day, and I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.